Today we will discuss about issue of shares for cash. In this, your three stages are there. First stage is your application stage. Second stage we have this allotment stage, and last stage is called as call stage. For every stage we have two journal entries each. The process starts with application. First of all, company will receive an application, so entry will be bank account debit to share application. To share application account. The narration will be B application receive. B application receive. After this, second transaction is there. This share application money has to be transferred to share capital. Share application account debit to share capital. This is the application transfer to capital. This is your stage number 2. So for first stage application we have two entries. Money is received from shareholders, and later on this application money is transferred to capital account. Moving on to your second stage, which is allotment. For this, your third entry will be, first allotment will be due. Share allotment account debit to share capital. If it is a normal case of at par, your adjustment of premium and discount is always done at the allotment stage if it is not mentioned in the question. For example, your question is simple at par. Your entry is share allotment to share capital. If question is at discount and it is silent, which stage we have to adjust discount? Most of the time, discount and premium is adjusted in second stage, which is stage of allotment. Premium is always credit, discount is always debit. If your sum is at par, you will make simple entry share allotment account debit to share capital. But if sum is of security premium, then you will have to credit security premium to security premium account. If sum is of discount, then it will be debit. It will discount on issue account debit. Calculation for all this would be the total number of N. N means number of shares company has issued. 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, whatever. And this cases we are discussing when it is a case of fully subscribed. Main cases of fully subscribed. When shares are fully subscribed, and under that, what would be the cases? Fully subscribed. If sum is of discount, you will write share allotment account debit, discount on issue account debit to share capital. If it is a premium, then entry will be share allotment account debit to share capital to security premium. If it is of par, it will be simple journal entry, share allotment account debit to share capital. Calculation part would be N means number of shares which company has issued multiplied by rate. For every stage they will give a rate. For example, company's face value is 10 and they have to take 2 rupees as a premium. That means total amount to be collected by company from one shareholder is 12 rupees. This 12 they will divide in 3 or 4 stages. It will be clearly given in question. At the time of application they told company demanded 2 rupees. At the time of allotment company demanded 6 rupees. At balance on call 6 plus 2 8 and 4 rupees because 10 plus 2 12 they have to charge. So N will be the number of shares multiplied by R is the rate. What is the rate of that stage? Similarly here, same amount will come and multiplied by your premium rate. What is the amount of premium? 1 rupee premium, 2 rupee premium, you will multiply it with the premium price. Similarly here, n will be the number of shares company is going to issue, multiplying it with the discount rate. Multiply it with discount rate. This is your B allotment due. Whatever is the case at par or premium or discount. It is at par, it is at premium, or it is at discount according to situation. This means company has sent notice to all the shareholders, your allotment money is due, kindly deposit it. After this, shareholders will deposit the money, then it will be fourth entry, bank account. Company is receiving, so bank account will be debit. Bank account debit to share allotment. Allotment is the name of stage. Whenever you are doing this entry of bank, when you are receiving the money, bank is always to be debit. Once you receive the money at the time of application, second you receive the money at the time of allotment, and again third you will receive at the time of call. In all these cases, bank account will be debit because money is coming in, and you have to credit the stage name, not capital. For which stage money we are receiving? This was application stage, here it is allotment stage, and then next will be your call stage. So mainly the terms which will be used in this full journal entries are simple. One will be the bank account, and rest all is stages name and capital. Only 5 terms will be mainly used. You have made 5 accounts in a simple sum. Out of that 5 only you have to form journal entry. Whenever you are receiving, bank is debit and credit will be the stage name. Stage will be either application or allotment or call. Then when you will transfer it to the capital account, then it will be stage debit to capital. Capital is liability, liability is always credit. Simple. So this is why what we did it, this entry was bank to share application. This was the money we received. This is the stage name. In next, we transfer this application to allotment. In this case, stage name is debit and capital is credit. Next is company will make an announcement that the amount is due. So allotment is debit and capital will be credit. Next we receive the money, bank is debit and stage is credit. Next again, when it will be next call time due, they will again make an entry share or account debit to share debit. Being call due. Being call due. First notice will be sent to you and then shareholder will deposit the money. After this we will receive it, bank account debit, shareholder will deposit, bank debit to stage name to share call. Being call money received. If in your question there are more than one stage is given, they have given you 1 call, they have given you 2 call, so we will have to mention it here. Share first call. Then after this sum will still continue because now we have 4 stages. First stage is application, second stage is allotment, third is first call, company is having second call. Same entries will keep on. This is due, receive, due, receive, due, receive. In all this sequence, this is application stage 2 entries. This is allotment stage 2 entries. These are all stage 2 entries. In all this, first is due entry and then is receive entry. First you will make due, you will send a notice, deposit your money, then they will pay. Again for call, you will send a notice, your call is due, deposit the money, then the shareholders will deposit. Only in case of application, first receive entry comes and then transfer entry comes. Because some started from those who were applicants, those who were investors, being called received. ONGC invited applications for rupees 80,000 equity shares at rate rupees 10 each at par. Cases of par fully subscribed. Amount was payable in 3 stages. First stage is application rupees 2. Second stage is your allotment rupees 6 and balance is on call. So balance you will have to calculate. Total face value is 10. 10 is split in 3 parts. 2 we are taking on application, 6 on allotment. 6 plus 2, 8. So that means call money will be rupees 2. To start with your sum, first is your first journal entry. First journal entry will always be you will receive it money from the applicants. Entry will be bank account debit to share application. Which is our first stage is application stage. Next comes this calculation part. What is the total quantity of shares we have is 80,000. You have not to multiply 80,000 with 10. We have to multiply with the stage. 80,000 is the quantity and application stage rate is 2. 80,000 into 2 will give you 1,60,000. This is 80,000 is the quantity multiplied by 2 is the rate of stage. So this is 1,60,000 rupees which company will get in the first stage, that is at the time of application. Variation will be being application received. First company receives the application money, then they will transfer this application to the capital. This will be transferred to the capital in second journal entry. So entry will become stage name is application, then share application account debit. This is to be transferred to your capital, so this will become your share capital. Same amount will be transferred. We have here 1,60,000. Same money will be jotted over here. It will be your 1,60,000 being application transferred to capital. Then comes in your third entry, where now first application stage is over. You will receive a notice to deposit your allotment money. So allotment will become due. Stage name is allotment. Stage share allotment account debit. You have not to use any abbreviations. To share capital. When you pass your second entry, you have to be careful that is it a sum of par or premium or discount. If sum is of par, then entry is simple allotment to capital. But if sum is of premium, then in that case you will have to credit the premium. If sum is of discount, you will have to debit the discount at entry number 3. Adjustment of premium and adjustment of discount is always done at entry number 3. This is sum of par. Now calculation. Your quantity is again 80,000 rupees. Shares are 80,000. Rate is 6 now. Your allotment rate is mentioned here 6. So 80,000 into 6, 4,80,000. This is your allotment received. Next comes if we have to transfer this allotment to capital. Share allotment account debit to we have made the allotment due. You have to receive the allotment, which will be bank account debit to share allotment being allotment received. We have received the money of allotment. Same amount 4,80,000 was due. 4,80,000 has been received from the shareholders. Till here, they were just an applicant. They were investors. But once we have allotted them shares, then we can call them as shareholders. Your next stage is of call, which is the last stage because 3 stages are there. Again, share call will be made due. Share call account debit to share capital. Share call calculation. Shares are again 80,000, and how much is balance left? 2 rupees. 2 is collected on allotment. Application 6 was collected at allotment. 6 plus 2 8. Out of 10 face value 2 is left. 80,000 into 2, again it is 1,60,000. 1,60,000 is due, being allotment due. Then comes in your receiving last journal entry, bank account debit to share call. Amount is 1,60,000. Being call received.